Why is Christopher Nolan diving into the world of Greek mythology? The man who bent time in Inception, redefined war in Dunkirk, and cracked the code of atomic power in Oppenheimer is now setting sail on a new kind of Odyssey, the Odyssey, to be precise. But why would a director known for cerebral thrillers and intricate narratives take on one of the oldest stories ever told? Perhaps it's the best challenge. Homer's The Odyssey isn't just a tale of gods and monsters. It's a mind-bending journey through time, fate, and the very nature of heroism. If there's any modern filmmaker equipped to reinvent this myth for the big screen, it's Nolan. In a recent announcement, Universal Pictures unveiled the first official look at this ambitious project, revealing none other than Matt Damon as Odysseus. Clad in battle-worn Greek armor, he looks every bit the wary yet determined king of Ithaca. This marks Matt Damon's first leading role in a Christopher Nolan film, following his supporting turns in Interstellar and Oppenheimer. Set for release on July 17, 2026, The Odyssey is being described as a mythic action epic, shot using IMAX cameras across breathtaking global locations. Christopher Nolan, who has both written the script and will be producing alongside his wife Emma Thomas. With an estimated $250 million budget, The Odyssey is Christopher Nolan's most expensive film yet. But if there's one thing he has proven time and again, is that he thrives on pushing cinematic boundaries. This marks Christopher Nolan's first venture into Greek mythology, a significant departure from his usual themes of science, war, and human ambition. But perhaps The Odyssey is the perfect fit for him after all. A hero trapped between fate and free will, a story that plays with time, memory, and identity. Sounds like a classic Christopher Nolan. As anticipation builds, one thing is certain. When Christopher Nolan tells a story, it's never just retelling. And this time, he's taking us on a journey through ancient legend as only he can. This is Leena Lal signing off. Keep watching Famous TV for more such content.